Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a 10th generation Honda Civic hatchback door panel off so that you can either do some wiring or speaker upgrades or fix rattles and squeaks like it is in my 2017 Type R. Okay, so to actually get the door panel off, we're going to have to be able to access the screws which are concealed actually underneath this trim piece here. And so how I'm going to get to that is I'm going to take my little trusty pry tools and I'm going to start prying here on the front edge of the power window control. I'm just going to get in there and just begin to pry up till you hear it pop, and then lift up like so. And just be gentle with it, and it should just lift straight up. I'm going to go and disconnect the wiring harnesses. That's how it pops out. Then we're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and we're going to undo it. We can leave everything here intact and just reach down to the bottom right corner where the speaker is and just give the panel a pull like this, and you can feel around the edges there's some pop clips, and there's actually a series of them right here, and you just gotta pull forward and it just comes out like that. And so here's the view from the back of the panel. You see these clips, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then some around the door handle. Now to reinstall the panel, you want to be able to carefully line up all the little pegs that go onto the door panel, or onto the door, sorry. So I'm just gonna line up my first little peg right here, and everything should actually just line up quite well without minimal effort. So once you've confirmed that everything's all snapped in tightly, replace the screw and snug that down hand tight, and then take your power window control panel and plug the appropriate harnesses back into place, and then line the tabs up and snap back into position. And there you have it. So as you can see, removing the door card from your 10th generation Civic is neither difficult nor time consuming, and is really just held in with a single screw that can be accessed by removing a bunch of popped in panels. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.